Buongiorno amici! Welcome back to Love Heritage Food. Today's recipe is a homemade pasta and we've chosen to make tagliatelle. We need only a few ingredients and we are making enough pasta for 3 people. 300 grams of Durum with semolina. We choose a semolina because it makes the pasta more al dente. 1 big egg, a pinch of salt, warm water and some whole flour. Right, let's start. Make a well in the middle. Add the egg and a pinch of salt. Slowly whisk the egg and gradually add some semolina. Add now and then a little of water to absorb the whole semolina. Now start working your dough, rolling with strength. Hold the dough with one hand and with the palm of your other hand stretch it. Carry on doing this for about 10 minutes. Don't be intimidated, it's easy. You want to have a smooth dough. In fact, a little trick to find out when it's ready. Push your fingertips on the dough, it shouldn't be too soft. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Meantime, we set the machine to make our pasta. Cut the dough in 4 pieces. Take a piece of dough, push it and start working it. Set the machine on number 1 because the dough is still thick. Feed the pasta sheet through the roller 3-4 times and fold the pasta sheet each time as my mom is demonstrating now. Set the machine in position number 2 now and roll the pasta sheet once. Now we don't fold the pasta sheet anymore because it's becoming smooth. And now set the machine in position number 3, which makes the pasta thinner, and roll the sheet once. Since the pasta sheet is too long, we cut it too. Now we can set the machine to make our tagliatelle. Fit the pasta sheet through the cutting roller and you have some beautiful tagliatelle. Dust your worktop with flour so the pasta doesn't stick together. Remember, fresh homemade pasta need to be boiled for a few minutes only. Look how beautiful are these tagliatelle. We are going to cook this tagliatelle with fish. If you would like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Buon appetito and see you next Saturday!